Scrum is the most popular Agile framework and is used for project management and product development. In Scrum, there are several roles that play a crucial part in making the process successful. Let's take a look at each of these roles. The first role is the product owner. The product owner is responsible for representing the interests of all stakeholders and ensuring that the team is working on the most valuable items in the product backlog. The product owner is accountable for the product backlog and communicates the vision and goals to the team. The second role is the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the Scrum process, removing any obstacles that might be blocking the team, and coaching the team on the Scrum methodology. The Scrum Master acts as a servant leader, helping the team to follow the Scrum principles and values. The third role is the development team. The development team is responsible for delivering the increment of work, making decisions on how to build the product, and self-organizing to get the job done. The development team is cross-functional and has all the necessary skills to complete the work without depending on others outside the team. In Scrum, the role of the project manager is different from what it typically is in traditional project management. In a traditional setting, the project manager is responsible for planning, executing, and delivering a project. In Scrum, the roles and responsibilities are distributed among the different members of the Scrum team, and the project manager is not a recognized role. However, in some organizations, the project manager may still have a role in overseeing the Scrum process, but it will likely be in a support or coaching capacity rather than a traditional project management role. The project manager may provide guidance and support to the Scrum Master and the team, and ensure that the process is being followed correctly. The project manager may also help to manage the resources and finances of the project and provide a higher-level view of the project status. And that's a quick overview of the roles in Scrum. Remember, each role plays a critical part in the success of the Scrum process, and it's important to understand their responsibilities. If you learned something in this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.